how to like a page as your page. When you want to like a page, quite often you go and you just click the like button. This actually will bring it up as liking as you as an individual. But if you have a page and you want to like as a page, what you need to do first is go to the page that you want to like. So we're going to go now and we're going to look in the search button for Australia.com. Click on pages so you know that you've actually got all the pages coming up with that title, because then you can scroll to where you want to go. I actually want to go to the Australia.com page. I'm going to click on Australia.com. You can see I do like it as a personal page. It will then come up here, and on this button is where you click like or unlike. But if you go over to where the three buttons are, you can click and go like as your page. When you go on to like as your page, all you need to do is select the page you want to like as. I'm choosing Lifestyle Anytime and click submit. That will now mean that when you do go to that page, you can also like and comment as yourself or as your page. And let's just show you again, if we go back up here to the search field and choose another page that you may want to follow. Let's just take Unilad. It's always got some good things on it. I'm going to click it straight from here. Can go over to the pages. I'm actually just going to click it straight here from the all. Again, it's one that I have liked, so I'm just going to wait for that to come up. Once that's come up, under the main picture, click on the three dots, go to like as your page, choose the page you want to follow it with and click submit. Come up with the message for you to say OK. So this is Angie from lifestyleanytime.com.au, bringing you a few little tips to help you with your social media marketing. Hope you have a great day. Bye for now.